Okay, so we're going to have a look at another brand new feature in Machine 2.0 software, and these are the drum synths. Now, for the first time, instead of actually recalling samples inside of a sampling environment or loading your own VSTIs on your host computer, you have drum synthesizers inside of Machine software itself. So now you actually have the building blocks to create your own unique drum sounds. So let's take a look at what they have to offer, and let's go to groups, and we're going to go to kits, and we're going to load up a kit here, a drum synth kit. We're going to select, and we're going to choose, how about maybe Fresh to Deaf kit, right? And let's check that out, and we're going to see what we have inside the Fresh to Deaf kit. When we open our mixer section, here we see the drum synth. Now, we've taken a look at this before, we've seen it in other tutorials, but we've never delved into it, so we're going to do just that right now. So right here we have various drum synths. We have a snare, we have, looks like a hi-hat right here, we have another hi-hat, we have another kick, and if you just scroll back across to the left, here we go, that's the drum synth. And you can see that each one of these channels has a drum synth on it. We can find a percussion version right here, and as we go along we're going to see yet another hi-hat, we see another kick, a clap, we have toms here as well, drum synth toms, we have sound effects, and let's scroll back into view and you can see it right here. It's actually a percussion module. Okay, so let's start back with this drum synth kick right here. Pretty big and powerful. As you can see, you have different selections here for different types of kicks. You can change it from maple to push, and we can go, here they are, bold, snappy, rasper, dusty, tronic, sub, and you can see right here to the left you have a tune function, so we can tune our kicks up and down. We can also adjust how much of the pitch bend we have. We can control the attack. And here we can change the type as well to thick. We have noise. And also we can affect the decay. And also go back to the tuning function right here. So as you can tell, we have a wide range of parameters here to mold and shape our drums. Let's take a look at the snare, for example. It's actually a clap sound, but we can change it to various snare sounds. We have those options as well: iron, chrome, vintage. And as you can see, all of these functions down here affect the timbre and tone of the actual sound, and you can make your adjustments here once again, decay and tuning. So, oh, we have a meta verb here, that's what's going on. Now we can hear the difference in the decay. Right, so we have a lot of variation that we can dial in right here with our snare sound. Same thing with a hi-hat, different selections of hi-hats. So changing the tone, changing the decay, changing the tune, you can see you almost have an infinite number of ways that you can combine new drum kits and make new sounds. Here we have a tom, traditional acoustic sounding floor tom, something more electronic sounding maybe, and we can get that happening once again. Okay, so a very wide range of different pieces of your drum kit, and also a very wide range of parameters to tweak them by. And when we put them all together, we can build a pretty comprehensive kit. So let's tap in a tempo right here, choose a couple sounds, and let's hit record, and let's put something down. I think we're going to need to quantize that. Let's hit the quantize button. Okay, so let's check out this sound. Let's multi-pitch this sound on the pads and see what we got. Trying to find a nice melody right here. Let's try that. I think it needs one more note that's added in. Okay, so we could definitely run with that, and that's all made with sounds from the drum synth. How about that? No expansion packs, no VSTIs loaded up, no external samples, just all internal, machine's own sounds, and they're sounding really, really good. So that was drum synth. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it will inspire you in your own productions. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.